Good morning. Max, hello. Aquarius, welcome back. Nasaan ka ngayon, Aquarius? Nasa Canada ka ba? Red Phone. Kagi, ang lamig talaga. Mr. Rat, hello. How are you, Mr. Rat? Kaya pala. Dito lang ako, sa Manila. Hipo, hello. Al, hello. Nag-refresh ako ng live. Hindi kasi ako maka 4-star. Kailangan ko pa ng 3K. Jeff Clark, hello. How are you, Jeff? Hi, Jeff. Good morning. Are you feeling good today, Jeff? Ryan, 1123, hi. Thank you so much. Jeff, where are you from? Good morning, Jeff. Followed me back, Jeff. Jeff Clark followed me. Do you have WhatsApp, Jeff? Do you have the WhatsApp? Yeah, send me in the inbox. I will add you now. Mau Mandy. You send in the inbox, in the DM. Then I will add you. Is it okay? I will wait, Jeff. Red for. Wait. Wait. Feel, hello. Did you see, Jeff? I already messaged you. Ratri. Teddy, hello. Ladla, hello. Yobab, hello. How are you, Yobab? Mysterious Man. AB, hello. Tuya, hello. Lotto. Can I be for you? This is how I breathe. Kane, hello. Billionaire, hello. M. Money. Mike, hello. Brian, hello. Yvonne, thank you. One Ram, hello. Doms, hi. How are you, One Run? Naantok na ako, Doms. Tagal mo kasi. Wait lang. Gabi, ang lamig. Super lamig. Sarap matulog. Mir, hello. Han, hello. Rowie, hello. How are you, Rowie? Ang sarap matulog. No. Bahala ka dyan. Wala akong name, Joseph. Guys, pindutin nyo na to, oh. Josie. Ganun, oo. Pindutin mo na kasi 1K, Doms. Ketupat. How are you, Ketupat? Good morning. Hi, Ketupat. What are you doing? Are you feeling good today, Ketupat? Hamad, hello. Wawa.